Isn't the top pretty? I don't know if you can see the sparkle. I coated the bows in mica. So last year I did 4. So I did a candy cane, a gingerbread, a tree, and an angel with this stamp. And I had a couple other ideas for, I guess, images, shapes I could put inside the stamp. So this year I did one more, which was the snowman. So I have some other ideas. They're a bit more complicated and I don't know if they'll work or they're worth the time and effort, but that's probably for next year. So the ombre isn't quite as subtle as I wanted. When I was pouring it, I knew it just wasn't quite doing what I wanted. So when I add the stamp, you can see how it pushes the top dark blue down. I know it does that, but I wish I could avoid it. I mean, don't get me wrong. I like it, it's cute. I really like the colors. I like that dark blue. Next time I'd probably make this even darker and do a little bit less white so there's a bit more of a darker gradient. So I'll stamp this to Santa. And it will be my Letters to Santa soap. So I have the bow on top. Cut through that one just a tad. But it's cute. I like the snowman. I like the blues. Like I said, I wish I had done this darker. So next time I do this again, or if I do blue, just so it would match the stamp a little bit more. I feel like there's a bit too much white, so it's a bit washed out, the gradient, but yeah. And the top. So let me remove these from the cutter and then I'll come back and we'll stamp them. So I have my To Santa stamp. I already stamped my candy cane, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my snowman now.